your freedom. Water resistant fabric. Lots of pockets. MOLLE attachment. Adjustable waistband. That's really nice. Yeah, looks pretty good. The zippers looks like good quality. Many times the first thing that goes on a cheap product is the zippers. But these zippers looks like high quality. But only time will tell. Removable quilted liner. That's nice. Armor for shoulder and elbow protection, and even back protection, like this. That's nice. Very good. Inner pocket. It even has a little manual here. That's kind of cool. Yeah, the pads are CE2 approved. Gonna take the first trip this year. Okay. Okay, dude. Oh, my new jacket. My new motorcycle jacket. Testing how it feels. Okay. First ride 2025. Yeah. Well, it started easy. And the jacket feels kind of warm and nice. Yeah, good thing I took a little trip today. Next week there will be snow and winter again. Brr, dang. That quick shifter works so smooth. It's amazing. take it easy now. There's a lot of gravel on the road. So what do I think about this iron motorcycle jacket? I kind of like it. It's very comfortable. Fits nice. And with that inner lining, you can ride all year round. And it's removable, so you can take it off when it gets hot in the summertime. It feels so nice being out on the road again. What day is today? It's the 7th of March. This is very, very early in the season, I must say. Yeah, but it will be a backlash. Next week there will be -degrees and snow again. But it won't last long. It will melt off pretty quick. But I got to test this new motorcycle jacket. And that was kind of cool. And what's my plan for this year? I don't have any plans for this year. I'm just gonna ride as much as I can, go out and do some fishing. If you buy one of these jackets, I recommend you pick a size a little larger than, one size larger than normal. I picked the XL size. Normally I will use a L size, but these are Asian sizes. A bit small. So I recommend you go up one size if you decide to buy one of these jackets.